Photoshop has this feature called the Vanishing Point Tool. And what it allows us to do is create a sort of mesh based on the natural lines in an image. And then we can use that mesh to apply, say, perspective distortions or scale things into the distance. And we can also use that to paint in perspective. So imagine your brush tip and we have it stuck to the side of a building. And as we paint into the distance, the actual brush will shrink or grow depending on how we're brushing. We can also do patches and content aware sort of fixes if we wanted to, say, replace a whole facade of brick or remove a window. And these techniques are like you can do it without the vanishing point tool, but with this tool and with very rigid architectural elements like bricks, for instance, you can do it super quick and the bricks will actually align to the same sort of scale. You won't have any bricks sort of misaligning, which, when it comes to really technical film work, is an absolute godsend.